Ready, set, vaccinate.
The fact that we have a vaccine that we know is effective and safe, this is astounding.
I feel proud that I got it, definitely proud. I feel like I'm doing something that's going to help so many other people.
It's just one of the biggest things to happen in my nursing career, and I've been a nurse a long, long time.
If the nurses get sick, who's going to take care of the patients? So I mean, we need to be there for our patients. So I think that's another reason, that we should step up and help the process in getting rid of this virus.
That tunnel, the light is there.
All right. Show me proud.
Awesome, thank you. That looks great.